Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are Growing Up Without Borders, and in this series we are going to be showcasing so many beautiful, cool places here in New Zealand where we spent a good solid 2 years. We have so much content still that we have never released, and so welcome to this amazing series as we showcase some of the most beautiful spots here in New Zealand. Today we're going to be visiting a couple caves. One of them is here at Ruakuri, and it's one of the largest underground walking tours that you can do here in New Zealand. And the second one, Blackwater Rafting! The caves sprawl over a huge area here in the Waitomo area, and we are going to be doing 2 of them. So we're starting here at the visitor center, and then we do a short walk to the entrance of the caves. At some points we're going to be 80 meters deep, and it's advised obviously to bring a nice little sweater because it does get a little bit cool when you're under the ground for that long. It'll be nice and refreshing though because it's been so hot the last few days. Here we go! All of this is man-made. So it was man-made as well as a whole spiral staircase. What? Look at that! Oh my goodness. That's crazy. How far down is that?
So that's about 18 meters top to bottom.
That is the entrance.
Whole cave is full of stalagmites and stalactites, and to get from one section to the other you have to pass through these tiny little corridors. And we have all these suspension bridges all along the pathway so that it's not damaging the formations or anything. Whoa! That's where we're going later?
That is where you guys are going to be in a few hours.
This is quite the adventure, I must say. That is so cool. We're going to float down the river.
So you're going to be in your wetsuits, in your helmets, in the mine.
Guys, these hanging things are called glowworms, and believe it or not,
Death by glowworm was rated in National Geographic's top 10 worst ways to die in the natural world.
is it?
Yeah, because where they eat them is they sort of eat them alive by sort of biting a hole in them and then kind of like vomiting like this sort of acid in them that kind of dissolves them from the inside, and it makes it easier to eat because they're very small, right? They can't just like chomp on things, they gotta like suck it out.
So you guys can hear the waterfall. That's the water we're going to be going down in a few more hours.
Look at all the eels. Look at that. That's a pretty big one. Wow, look at this. What do you guys think? Whoa. This is amazing. Look at those people. If they have another tour, we can actually do something just like that. Hobbit hole, look at this. Wow. So here's some fun facts that we learned. So this cave, Ruakuri, means basically dog with the dens because they found dogs here, Polynesian dogs. And Rua means 2, so it's technically like 2 dogs, but it's den of the dogs.
There's also 5 kilometers of walks you can do in here, so quite a lot of walking.
Yeah. And there's also a sacred part of this cave, and there's like spiritual kind of like people, forces kind of, you know?
So right now what we are doing is washing our hands, which is a Maori tradition to wash the spirits off of our hands. There we go. We are right now at what's called the Waitomo Homestead. This is also the pickup point when you're doing the Blackwater rafting, which we're doing next.
Yes! It's going to be super exciting, very adventurous.
We definitely weren't going to miss out on indulging in some delicious New Zealand meat pies. So the first thing we're doing is filling in all the forms. You guys are signing your lives away. Alright, first things first, this is base training where we're going to learn how to jump in the water with a tube. feeling the heat, but we're about to go nice into the cool caves and the cool water. Good to go.
On.
Hold down there.
Oh yeah, nice.
We're going to check out a waterfall. You can stay here.
Okay.
There's a waterfall.
That is so cool.
Come feel the power.
So right now we are at a crossroad. We have an option to take a little cave detour, and the challenge is, are we gonna go or not? Is Chloe gonna do it?
Let's go for it.
Chloe, are we gonna do it? Julia's up for it. Angelique, you up for it? Good job, Chloe. This is quite the adventure, I must say. We're literally going through tunnels here, underground.
Hello.
Hey guys! This is wild. There we go. Let's go see more. Got it. I'll take you too.
Quickly, you want to make sure it's dead, bite it in half, and enjoy the rest of it.
What do you do?
So that's all part of the tradition. You just got to bite it in half to make sure it's dead. So get your fingers ready. Oh yeah, the sound is coming out, okay? You just got to go like that. 3, 2, 1, grab it. Whoa. Oh, yeah.
Chocolate! Yeah, the good stuff!
Blow the holes around here. And remember, I'm gonna be okay. Don't follow me.
Where is he?
So that's the human blender. And we don't really want you guys going in there.
Now you gotta do it, girls! Oh no, you're gonna
Hold on a
jump
second, wait.
They're gonna jump into the human blender!
Come take a seat. It's like a jacuzzi.
And to think we were all scared of the human blender! at the end, they take you here, they show you some of the epic clips, and they give you a nice little treat to enjoy.
Guys, that was so cool.
It was incredible.
Yeah.
Honestly, that beat any cenote we've been in Mexico. It was like the real deal.
And
It was
so cool. And at one point, we were just going down this like lazy river and just looking up at the glowworms, and it was just like
It was magical.
Yeah.
It was really magical. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.